Good morning. Nice day for a run. It's Tuesday, March 14th. It's 12:40 a.m. I started out before midnight. I ran about a mile before midnight and a little bit more than 3.5 miles after midnight and before the blizzard. Because by the time I wake up, this light snow that we're having right now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a light snow happening right now, will be a full-blown blizzard that's going to drop between 18 inches and 2 feet of snow during the day tomorrow. So I love running in the snow, but I figured it'd be safer to run now. And so I did. All right. See you tomorrow.